Want to be the best Flutter developer? Well, you've come to the right place. Flutter is an innovative, open-source UI software development kit created by Google. It's gaining popularity in the app development world for its ability to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base. In this video, we'll share 7 key points that can help you become an exceptional Flutter developer. Ready to embark on this journey to become the best Flutter developer? Stay tuned. The first step towards becoming an expert is mastering the basics. And in the world of Flutter, the basics revolve around 3 key elements: the Dart language, widgets, and state management. Understanding Dart, the programming language used in Flutter, is crucial. Dart allows you to build high-performance, beautiful applications, so it's vital to familiarize yourself with its syntax and principles. Next, we have widgets. Think of these as the building blocks of your Flutter application. Widgets define what your app looks like and how it interacts with user input. They're reusable, extendable, and adaptable, making them a powerful tool in your Flutter arsenal. Lastly, state management is the glue that brings everything together. It's how you manage the data your app is using. Whether it's user input, server responses, or even the app's internal state, state management is key to keeping everything running smoothly. Remember, a strong foundation sets the stage for future success. In the fast-paced world of technology, staying updated is key. Flutter, like any other technology, is continuously evolving. New versions, updates, and features are rolled out regularly. Now, why is it crucial for you to stay on top of these changes? Simple. It keeps your skills sharp and your knowledge fresh. Imagine working on a project and encountering a problem. You spend days, maybe even weeks, trying to find a workaround, only to discover that a recent update has already addressed the issue. Frustrating, right? This is just one of the many reasons why staying updated with Flutter is vital. Additionally, new packages and tools are introduced frequently. These can enhance your productivity, streamline your workflow, and even inspire new project ideas. So make it a habit to check for updates, explore new packages, and experiment with new tools. Keeping abreast of the latest updates helps you stay relevant and competitive. Practice makes perfect, and this holds true for Flutter development. Devoting time to regular practice isn't just about repeating the same lines of code. It's about challenging yourself with new projects, pushing your boundaries, and growing as a developer. It's about seeking out coding challenges that test your understanding and force you to think creatively. Consider it a journey where every line of code you write brings you one step closer to mastering Flutter. Dabble in different projects, from simple mobile apps to complex user interfaces. Each project is a new learning opportunity, a chance to apply what you've learned and uncover areas where you might need a little more practice. You see, in the world of Flutter development, standing still is not an option. With every problem you solve, you're not just writing code, you're honing your skills, sharpening your mind, and becoming a better developer. As with any skill, the more you practice, the better you get. Never underestimate the power of community. One of the most enriching parts of being a Flutter developer, or any developer for that matter, is joining a community. Becoming a part of a group of like-minded individuals who share your passion can open up a world of possibilities for your learning and growth. Flutter communities are a treasure trove of collective wisdom. They are platforms where developers from all walks of life come together to share their experiences, insights, and knowledge. You can learn from their successes, their mistakes, and everything in between. These communities also serve as a support system. You'll find people who are ready and willing to help you tackle challenges, solve problems, and overcome roadblocks. This kind of collaborative environment is invaluable for enhancing your skills and expanding your understanding of Flutter. Being part of a community can boost your learning curve significantly. So step out of your comfort zone and dive into the vibrant world of Flutter communities. A great developer is a great problem solver. And in the world of Flutter development, this rings true more than ever. Debugging, the process of identifying and resolving issues in your code, is an integral part of the development process. It's like a detective's work, unraveling the mystery of why a particular piece of code isn't working as expected. The ability to debug effectively isn't just about finding errors, though. It's also about understanding why those errors occurred in the first place and preventing similar issues from cropping up in the future. This is where problem-solving skills come into play. By developing a deep understanding of the Flutter framework, you'll be better equipped to anticipate potential pitfalls and navigate around them. Remember, every bug you squash, every problem you overcome, is a step towards becoming a better developer. It's a journey, and every journey starts with a single step. Solving complex problems is a critical skill for any successful developer. So, what does it take to be the best Flutter developer? This is a question we've been exploring throughout this video, and now it's time to wrap up our discussion. First and foremost, understanding the basics of Flutter is crucial. This includes getting to know Dart, the programming language Flutter uses, as well as familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of the Flutter framework. It's like building a house. You can't start with the roof. You need a solid foundation first. Secondly, staying updated is key. Flutter is a dynamic and rapidly evolving framework. New features, updates, and fixes are introduced regularly. Keeping up to date with these changes will ensure that your skills remain relevant and cutting edge. Third, practice regularly. Like any other skill, coding requires consistent and regular practice. The more you code, the better you'll get, so make coding a part of your daily routine. Fourth, join Flutter communities. It's a great way to learn from others, share your knowledge, and get help when you're stuck. Remember, no developer is an island. Fifth, and perhaps most importantly, hone your problem-solving skills. Debugging and problem-solving are essential parts of a developer's job. It's not just about writing code, but also about finding and fixing issues. With these tips in your toolkit, you are well on your way to becoming the best Flutter developer. The journey might be challenging, but remember, the rewards are worth it.